Today we will be discussing how to enter a general investment account into the Voyant software. From your dashboard, you will click your plus button and go to the Savings and Investments tab. Click on Savings and Investments. First thing you're going to want to check is the ownership of this account. Is this owned by a single individual in the plan, or is it jointly owned? You'll want to make sure that designation is correct. You're going to name this account something that will help you remember what it is. And you're going to enter in the current balance. The fee rate will be set based on your plan settings, but you can manually adjust it here. It's important to enter the cost basis so that future gains can be calculated correctly by the software. And if you go to your contribution amount, you can enter these as annual or monthly. Once you've entered contribution amounts, it will give you a cue to update the timing of those contributions. Click Update Timing. That will take you to the timing screen. You will click when you would like those contributions to start and when you would like those contributions to end. If you go over to your growth screen, you will be able to see how the software is calculating the growth on this investment account. It may be set at a general growth rate, such as it is here. You can also have it growing by a portfolio. Go over to your portfolio screen and you can enter in a customized portfolio based on what you have the client's investments in. You will note that as you've entered in the portfolio, it will adjust the expected average growth rate automatically, and it will show that here. Now, another thing that you can do if you would like is to go to your steps section, and here you have the ability to change things in this investment account at different times in the cash flow. So for example, if for now they are entering $250 monthly for contributions, but they would like to step up that contribution amount in the future, you could set that to be $500 monthly to occur at a specific time in the plan. You could set that up as your step timing, and it will now change the monthly contribution from $250 to $500 a month when Paul reaches age 62. You can also do that with your growth. You could change the asset allocation over a different point in time. Perhaps you would like to make it a less aggressive portfolio the closer they get to retirement. This can all be done through the steps feature in the investment tab. One other thing that I want to show you is if you go into your details, your view screen, the investments tab, you can now see what's going on with this investment over time. You can see your contributions, your net growth, and that is growth net of fees, and your end of year balance. You can scroll over and you can see that those contributions change at that step event. And once they've entered retirement, you will start seeing withdrawals. I hope this was helpful. Please do reach out to us from your request support button should you have any further questions.